Hey guys, welcome to another week in my life. Today is Monday and we're gonna take the dogs to the beach.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time.
Bye Audrey! Hi Photo One Queens! I'm last minute doing a little photography assignment. We have to make a plan for our photo shoot. Do you guys like the photo shoot? I love the photo shoots. I think they're so fun. Like I like to have like a whole plan and like do like a fun little modeling moment.
I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time.
Hey guys, I just got home from school. Disregard the mess. You know, just move it over there. I am feeling, wait, my light is making noise. I'm feeling so tired. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but I want to wrap some presents I got for my friends, Cricket and Amanda. You guys saw the unboxing in a vlog a few weeks ago. So let's wrap these bad boys up so that I can give them to them tomorrow because we're at in-person school.
It feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring.
Hey guys, so I got a package. Spoiler alert, it's my new shoes. Spoiler alert part 2, they're the same shoes I had before, just a new pair. I'm sorry, when it comes to clothing and stuff, I have like my alter ego who like go all out, but other than that, I just wear the same things every day. Okay, here we go. Here they are. They're so white. Oh my gosh. They're so white. Girl, hi. How the fork are you? These are called the Nike Roche ones. I've had them since like 7th grade. I haven't gotten a new style since then. But like, you cannot tell me these don't look really pretty. I love anything white. Like really bright white. Especially like my room. That's why I wanted to paint my room white because I thought it just looks so clean. So yeah, I love.
I keep falling for you like every night. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day.
Hey kitty girl.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name.
Hey guys, today is Wednesday. My room, absolute mess. I just have like clothes strewn about, stuff on the floor, but I really don't care because I'm gonna be in school, so it doesn't matter. Last night I was testing out some outfits, so I'll show those to you guys later. Oh, I cannot forget the gifts for Cricket and Amanda. Hi guys, I'm at school and I have my gifts to give. Okay. I know, hey girl, what is sent this, Mrs. Claus. So for you, here you go.
Oh my god.
And for you, here you go. Okay, let's do a live unboxing.
Don't read the card out
I
loud.
won't.
Okay. This is so cute. I'm in love with you.
I love you so much.
Oh!
Okay, so I got you a milk jelly cleanser from Glossier.
Okay, let me open this one.
That one I'm not sure if you're gonna like, it was kind of like a guess. Impulse purchase.
That's so cute!
Oh my
I
god.
love it! Oh my god.
So it's a little like lip and cheek duo.
I love that.
So
Because I wear
nice.
blush every day.
I literally
Oh my god. Eddie, I love you. Oh my god.
Should I put this in my laptop?
I love it.
Cute, yeah.
It's white. Well,
I love it, Eddie.
He's
I love
silver.
you. Thank you.
You're
Eddie.
literally the sweetest.
I love you guys too.
Okay, open mine.
Okay, now let's open Amanda's and do a live reading of the card.
If you hate it, tell me.
I'm hoping it's makeup. Is it makeup? Yeah.
Your gift is back ordered.
Love that.
I ordered it like a while ago.
Oh, I watched James Charles' latest video and he uses the product that I gave.
Oh, tea! Okay. I have been wanting Rare Beauty so bad. Oh my
Here,
god.
let me hold this.
Oh my god, is it the highlighter?
Yeah.
Ah! This is, oh, thank you so much, Amanda.
Of course.
Okay, I don't want to break it, so I'll hold it from the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh.
Makeup video.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's open her up. Oh my god, look at that. Do you want some? Oops, I put a lot on.
Clip might have been upside down. I'm not sure.
That's fine. Thank you so much, Amanda.
Of course.
Oh, she's shiny.
Selena Gomez.
Queen. Thank you so much. Okay guys, I tested out the Rare Beauty highlighter. Like, look at that highlight. It looks so natural but also blinding. Love, I'm so excited to test it on my face. Hey kitty girls, hope you're enjoying the video. So, disclaimer, this clip turned into a donut mukbang real quick, and clearly the donut was doing something because my face looked absolutely busted, so just disregard that. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Love you all. Mwah. See you soon. Bye. Okay guys, I got some donut at the train station. Let's try them out. Okay, so I got some donut holes and then a chocolate donut. That is so good. So good. Hey guys, today is Thursday and they have donuts. They look so good, and I got a pink drink today, so I'm really hyped up and caffeinated. Thank you so much. Audrey, I got one. I'm so proud of myself for that long walk. Okay, let's do a mukbang moment. It's so loud here. Oh my god. That is so good. Krispy Kreme is quaking. Oh my god. Hi, how are you? So good. Hi guys, I finished school. I'm on the train right now. I had a math test. It went okay. Like, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but it was still pretty rough, especially the last question. The last question was horrible. It was so two-faced. Like, the first part was amazing. It went great, but then the last question was so bad. It took me like 30 minutes to solve. Hi guys! Okay, I have two very exciting packages to unbox. One a bit more exciting than the other, but let's get into it because I've been waiting for this all day. I'm so excited. First one, this is the less exciting one, but still equally useful. Am I the only one who just loves getting boxes so I can unbox it with the box cutter? So the first thing that I got is this camera battery charger, and it also comes with batteries. So it comes with batteries for my camera too, and then it also comes with a USB charging, what do you call them? Charging cord. And then the charging brick. But I think this can also be plugged in. Oh no, I think it is just only USB powered, but that's still cool. That's the first package. Next one, this one I'm so excited for. Probably can already tell by the title. I got a new lens for my camera. I have been having my eye on this since literally December 2019 because Alicia Marie posted Vlogmas Day 1. How do I remember this? Vlogmas Day 1 of 2019, and she talked about her camera equipment, and she mentioned this lens for her camera. And since then, I actually got a camera from Canon in a similar like series as hers, and it fits with this lens. And I wanted it so bad because her vlogs have this really cinematic touch, which is the wide angle. So I really wanted this one because it's more wide angle, fits with my camera. It's called the EFM 11-22mm lens. So let's open it up. Warranty, love her. Instruction manual, love her more. Here it is, wrapped in bubble wrap. And there she is. Okay, it's smaller than I thought. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a before shot, this, and then an after shot using the new lens. So here's the before. Okay guys, I still have the lens cap on, but this is the new lens. I'm gonna take off the lens cap. Oh my gosh. It's so much more wide angle. Look at all this space. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. And then it zooms in, actually like only to basically where this one starts. This one is 15 by 45mm and this one is 11 by 22. So it zooms into 22 versus 15. But even the like 11 versus 15 is still a huge difference. Like, there's so much more space on the screen. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Let me know if you see a difference, if you like a difference. I'm obsessed already. I'm only seeing it on the viewfinder, but yeah, I'm super excited. And I'm also just so excited because I purchased this with my own money and I just feel like proud of myself. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me, for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and it's just gonna get better from here. We are on a trip to Trader Joe's to get some groceries. Why do you talk so
differently in your vlogs?
I talk the exact same way I talk in my life in my vlogs.
No, you're like, hey guys, so.
That's literally exactly how I talk in real life.
In real life, you're like, hi guys, like we're gonna go do this. You're not like so cray-cray.
We're gonna go to Trader Joe's to get groceries. It's a late night excursion, 7:15 p.m. Sorry for the bad lighting. Nia, why would that not turn on? There we go.
Am I allowed?
No, the light turned off. We're obsessed with this song. Won't you say the less I know? No! She just changed it to what? This is Shawn Mendes. Have you heard Shawn Mendes talk?
Yeah, he should have a podcast, don't you?
I hate his voice. It's
so satisfying.
No, his
Do
voice.
not put this in the vlog. You can't hate on. So no.
We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
Okay guys, here is the outfit today. Just some thigh highs with some jean shorts and a cute top. My friend Audrey here too. She's wearing the cutest dress and fishnets with some Doc Martens. Today we're doing a lip sync performance, which I'll talk about later, but let's go. I'm ready.
Alright.
There's nothing feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star that slowly disappears.
Hey guys, we're taking over Eddie's YouTube channel. Hey. Hey. Okay. Add me on Snapchat at @isdesi. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Just about to record a podcast episode with Naya. Oh, by the way, I finished the thumbnail for the new vlog. You want to see? It's not like completely done. The text is like not done yet, but here you go. Here's like a rough draft. I still have to figure out what I want to do about the week in my life text.
I like it.
Okay, but like that thing, I hate that. I hate that.
Wait, I don't really like the Polaroid stuff.
Oh, you don't? Okay, I'll think about that. I don't know how I feel either. But yeah, I need to figure out the
I love
text.
the pink drink hold when you're holding it. That's so cool. Looks so cool. I don't know how you do that.
I just group the pink drink and then take a picture of it.
Outline.
Oh.
You outline it.
Wait, it's actually really easy. I just like go, there's this tool and then I just like erase.
Just, like,
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started recording. Alright guys, I just finished recording a podcast episode. It was so much fun. We talked about morning routines this episode, so make sure to go and listen. It'll be already out by the time you're seeing this video. Links are all down below. But yes, I'm just downloading the audio file, and now I thought it'd be fun to go and have a spa night. I've been meaning to do one of these for the past like 5 working months, so I thought finally time to do one. And I have like an elaborate setup, like so extra. Alicia Marie is quaking how extra this is. So yeah, let me go show you. Okay, I have a designated bath drawer just for this occasion, a plethora of candles, and a bath bomb. So I'm gonna bring all of these over to the bath, and I'm also gonna bring my projector light because I feel like it'll create a nice ambiance. Oh my gosh, oh, and I also have some bath fizzes. Okay, that's perfect. So much stuff, this is gonna be great. I got a new face mask from my friend Amanda for Christmas. She got me a few, so I thought I'd try this out. It is just an aloe mask sheet, so we'll see how it works. I love aloe, so I think it'll work great, especially since I have some pretty dry skin lately. The bath is done filling. It's not super hot, which is a bit frustrating, but honestly, it's still really nice, you know? So I got all these candles here to have a nice little like candlelight moment over there. I have my projector and then some bath stuff. I have the face mask and this bath bomb, and then also these, I think these are bubbly bath salts, I think, or shower fizz. I'm not really sure, but I'm super excited to test those out. And then I also do have some bath cubes. I'll be right back. Okay, I have these bath sugar cubes, and then I also have this exfoliating shower scrub. So I'll test both of those out. Super excited, it's gonna be so much fun. And then I also got my computer just to watch some TV on the side. And yeah, let's get this all set up.
Go to sleep at night.
Alright guys, I set up the projector just in a bottom drawer, and oh my gosh, oh, it already looks so good, so calm, so peaceful. Last time I did this, I did get some lights, but honestly, I think it's good already. It kind of looks like a little like solar system moment, you know, with the sun in the middle. But yeah, I'm gonna get in before the water gets cold and just really enjoy a nice moment to myself. This is from Lush. My friend Naya got this for me. Thanks, girl. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna turn the lights off and let's put her in. Actually, I kind of want to see what the color looks like, so I'll put her in now. Oh, it's sizzling. That is so cool. It's like foaming. Oh my god. That is really cool. And you can already see it's kind of glittery. Okay, I'm gonna get in.
I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
We got sweet green for dinner. I got the chicken pesto parm. That is so good. Again, I got the chicken pesto parm with no tomato. Highly recommend. Hey guys, that is it for this week's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.